Mark, back here at Mazak in Worcester, brand new machine, VCE 600, built here in the UK like a lot of your models. You always design machines around what you believe your customers need. So what is this going to deliver to them?
Yeah, the VCE 600 is the first in a range of new machining centres that's really aimed at giving our customers both value and performance at a price level that's very attractive for our customer base.
Okay, so let's talk about the market for this first. This is just a 3-axis machining centre, isn't it? Is it replacing a range that you've currently got, or is this a brand new product in a brand new area?
This is a brand new product targeting a new sector. So it comes really with the specification and a price that really I think is very eye-catching for a number of people.
Okay, let's talk about the specification then, because you never do things by half. You always try and make sure you deliver machines that can perform. So how is this machine built, and what does it got in order to make it do that for companies?
Well, reliability is very important for us and our brand. So our customers need to understand, first of all, the assurance of the reliability that Mazak built in. See, we're using quality components on this. It's a fully ground ball screw, pre-tensioned, with direct inline servo motors, high quality and a class leading spindle. So really with our customers, they can receive the assurance that this machine is going to deliver the quality and reliability for them to maintain production.
Okay, tell me about the spindle then and the options available on that, because I believe it's 12 and 15, is it?
Yeah, this is a 12,000 RPM spindle with 18.5 kilowatts of power and 119.4 Newton meters of torque. But what's significant is the dual winding really on the spindle. So if you're a subcontractor and you're faced with a varied number of workpieces, different types of material, you have a machine here that can handle everything. At the low end, on the low winding, you've got torque, so you can do face milling, drilling, etc. But then equally, where you require speed, say for example aluminium, and you require power, then you've got that also on the higher winding. So it's a spindle really that caters for all types of material on all applications.
That's often quite difficult to achieve, isn't it? Especially at a very competitive price where you've got power and speed.
Yes, and also additionally with that, you have through coolant as standard as well. So again, customers that wanting that extra performance have the assurance that they've already got a high specification on their machine.
You've got only one door on here as well. That's quite different to often machining centres of this size, isn't it? Why have you chosen to just have the one access?
Well, we went to visit a number of customers, and it's a direct result of their feedback. So a number of customers talked to us about that they need to open the doors and load a component very quickly. So if you're carrying a workpiece or a tool into the machine, you've also got one hand free to open the door whilst carrying that component. So again, simple design really that carries out the needs of our customers.
And what about the control as well? This is new to me, the smooth, easy. Same thing here, spoken to your customers, not just here but around the world, and found out what they really want when it comes to software?
Exactly, Paul. We have 40 years experience now. We're celebrating 40 years with Mazak, and the new Smooth Easy Control targets a number of things. It's very, very easy to program, provides easy operation, easy machining, and an easy setup. And that's key for our customers. What we've seen that our customers are telling us, they make a high mix of components, but they're now manufacturing in smaller batch sizes. So what's critical for them is to cut down the setup time. So this is where really the Smooth Easy Control comes in. Number of easy features that make it easy to move from part setup into full production, and with the control, the capability of the program again. Very easy, even for inexperienced operators to get to grips with programming.
For people that haven't used Mazak before or haven't purchased a Mazak, beyond the machine itself, why would they come down or knock on your door or come here to see the machine and potentially buy a Mazak product?
Well, I think there's a number of reasons for that. One is the quality of the build. So when a customer makes an investment with us, they can be assured that the machine is going to perform with the required quality and reliability they want. But also we can provide the necessary support. We have the largest applications team in the UK and the largest service team in the UK. So what this means is our customers can get reliable backup when they need it to support their products.
This is a big market, isn't it, the vertical machining centre? If you do well with this, it will significantly increase your footprint in the UK.
Yes, that's right. And you know, we have the two range of machines. We have the VCN targeting the performance line, and we have the VCE targeting the entry line. So, you know, we're looking to increase our customer base with this new range and attract new customers.